Hey, it's me, Ivars. Today, we're going to explore door mechanics and climbing mechanics. For the door mechanics, you can use the animations from the asset pack I mentioned earlier, called the apartment kit. If you haven't seen the first video in this series, please check it out as I explain which asset packs I'm using throughout this series. To implement the door functionality, you can grab any door prefab and replace the existing door open script with my custom version. For the lockable door functionality, add the lock door script to the door prefab and ensure that you assign the player's transform in the same way as with the simple door script. Additionally, we need to put the doors on their own layer, for example, doors, and tag them appropriately, such as door A and door B. Also, we need a collider for the doors that have his trigger checked, and for the keys tag them, for example key 1 and key 2. For the climbing mechanic, you'll need the script called Climbing Master. You should also create a game object with a collider that has his trigger checked and tag it as vent. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.